Welcome to the evolving world of energy.
Hello everyone, I'm Professor Energy. Did you know that renewable energy is one of the oldest types of energy? It's been around since, you guessed it, the beginning of time. Fast forward to today, and recent innovations are improving how we harness these natural sources of electricity. This is making renewable energy a viable option for energy consumers like you and me. Renewable energy is collected from natural sources that are constantly replenishing, like the sun, wind, and water. These energy sources are a clean alternative, resulting in less pollution and reduced global warming-related carbon emissions. Renewables are more important than ever before. In fact, many cities, states, and power companies are ramping up their renewable energy efforts. Solar energy is estimated to become the fastest-growing renewable energy source. By 2050, solar power is expected to make up almost half of renewable energy generation, and solar and wind power combined could produce nearly half of our total energy. Today's wind turbines are capable of generating nearly 4 times the electricity of turbines from 2000. Offshore wind projects are one of the most promising developments, with the potential to rapidly expand our access to clean energy. Currently, there's an offshore wind turbine farm near Rhode Island that powers 10,000 homes. Even bigger projects are in the pipeline. For example, a wind farm off the coast of Massachusetts is expected to power 400,000 homes. With more than 40% of Americans living in coastal areas, offshore wind projects are a viable technology. Not only is renewable energy good for the environment, but it's becoming more cost-effective. The average cost of large-scale solar power projects are now competitive or cheaper than coal power plants. With some projects, solar costs as low as $20 per megawatt hour. That's 1/4 the cost of coal power. Plus, solar and wind power plants have zero fuel costs, resulting in lower electricity generation costs and increasingly more affordable energy for everyone. Continuous innovations in technology, design, and manufacturing are improving reliability, even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Our energy grid is diverse and interconnected, with different electricity sources working together to provide reliable energy year-round. Plus, energy storage will play an important role in balancing supply and demand. Renewable energy is one of the fastest-growing industries, creating a number of new jobs, from engineers to installers and more. In fact, clean energy workers outnumber fossil fuel workers by 3 to 1. Many major companies are seeing the benefits and making clean energy commitments. And you can take part too. Contact your power company and ask them about renewable energy rate plans, research rooftop solar options, or how to participate in a community solar program. As you can see, renewable energy is becoming an important part of our evolving energy ecosystem, paving the way for a cleaner energy future for generations to come. Learn more about renewable energy at www.whatissmartgrid.org.